Open the optical cabinet and position your compressor in a suitable location. If you're using a tripod, place it in a convenient spot close to the cabinet. Open the TriggAIR case and mount the TriggAIR onto the tripod. If you're using the real arm accessory, it's time to mount the pre-terminated cable. Loosen the expander unit and open the clamp lid. Turn the pressure adjustment screw clockwise and the counting wheel will open. Slide an appropriate cable seal onto the fiber cable. Then place the cable in the fiber track and mount the cable seal into the cable seal groove. Turn the pressure adjustment screw counterclockwise to secure the cable in place. Insert a cleaning plug into the duct. Mount the duct in the suitable groove in the duct clamp. Close the clamp lid and secure the expander unit. Attach the air hose to the tripod and the compressor. Start the compressor and add air. The cleaning plug will now clean the duct and exit from the other end. When the cleaning plug has exited, close the air valve. Press the power button to start the machine. The display lights up and the machine is now ready for use. Press the forward reverse button to the forward position. Press the trigger and slightly open the air valve. The fiber cable is now being installed in the duct. Use the cruise control to allow the machine to operate automatically. Use the adjustable clutch for fiber protection. It prevents damage if the fiber encounters an obstruction. If you need to reverse, press the forward reverse button to the reverse position. Jetting TriggAIR maintenance. Keep your TriggAIR clean and ensure the batteries are charged. If the rubber rings on the drive wheel are worn, replace them with a new set. If the string seals in the duct compartment are worn, replace them with new ones.